So here's what's going on today. I set up this pop-up tent so I can make a dust-free room when I resin coat this big painting. I've been coating my paintings in this resin since about 2004, but one of my biggest pet peeves when using it is when little dust particles land in the resin. It just gets very sticky, and sometimes there's things floating around that land in it, and it just bugs the crap out of me. Anyway, I love the look of the resin. Unfortunately, it's really hard to capture in photos and video. It's just so glossy and shiny. I think it makes everything look a lot better. It's not every day I'm resin coating a 6-foot painting. For the most part, I'm doing things about this size, which is a 2-foot square, and a lot of smaller things like 8x10s and 6x6s. So here's my setup for that. I've got this big box on wheels, this lid lifts open, and my piece is just dry inside here, so it's totally dust free. I usually have no problems and it works out great. I'm taping up this plastic sheeting to make walls, should keep the dust out. I have 2 walls done so far, 2 more to go. Then once I'm done, it's time to do some resin coating.
Now you only get it in your night dress. Discarded all the naughtiness for niceness. Landed in a very common crisis. Everything's in order in a black hole. Nothing seems as pretty as the past. No, Bloody Mary's lacking a Tabasco. Remember when he used to be a rascal? Oh, that boy's a slut. The best you ever had, the best you ever had is just a memory and those dreams. I start to stay seen. I start to stay seen, my love, when you dream them up. Flicking through a little book of sex tips. Remember when the boys were all electric? Once you tell her she's gonna get it, I'm guessing that she'd rather just forget it. Clinging to not getting sentimental. Said she wasn't gonna, but she went. Still likes a gentleman, so not be gentle. Make a double or a betting pencil. Oh, the boys are sad. The best you ever had, the best you ever had was just a memory and those dreams. Not asked after they sing, not asked after they sing, my love, when you dream them up. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go?
I think this worked out very well. Normally I'm picking little dust particles out of here for about 30 or 40 minutes. Anyway, we'll just have to come back in a couple days and see how it looks. And we're back. It's been 2 days. The resin is totally dry at this point, and this little makeshift dust-free room that I made has been a total success because there's not a single dust particle on this whole painting. Check it out. Yes, there's a lot of reflection, but there's not much I can do about that. Anyway, super stoked that turned out good, and now I'm going to resin coat this one. Just finished resin coating this one. Check out how glossy and shiny. So those first 2 paintings were a test run to make sure this dust-free room would work. And it worked out great, which means I was able to resin coat the bunny painting. Now the bunny painting is officially done and I can hang it up on the wall, which is very exciting. I also resin coated this other painting, and now I'm out of big paintings that need resin coating, so I'll probably take this tent down and get the store looking back to normal. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe so you don't miss future videos, and I'll see you on the next one.